On its 140th foundation day, the Indian National Congress witnessed contrasting viewpoints within its leadership. Senior party leaders Shashi Tharoor publicly supported colleague Digvijaya Singh's remarks on the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS, noting the need to strengthen Congress' organizational base. The two leaders were seated together at the Indira Bhavan headquarters and exchanged notes during the event. Digvijaya Singh had earlier praised the organizational strength of the BJP RSS and highlighted the importance of grassroots strengthening for Congress to counter the ruling party. He clarified that he opposed the ideology of RSS but stressed that every organization requires structural reinforcement. Tharoor backed Singh's view, emphasizing organizational strengthening without controversy. Amid these discussions, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge asserted that Congress represents an enduring ideology emphasizing its commitment to secularism, social justice, and the Constitution. Rahul Gandhi described Congress as the voice of India's soul, dedicated to protecting the weak and deprived while reaffirming the party's mission to fight hatred, injustice, and dictatorship. Both leaders underscored that the party has never resorted to communal politics or spreading religious hatred.